Hi everyone, welcome back to easeusdeutschland channel. In today's video, we will discuss how to clone HDD to SSD with different sizes. In this video, you will learn, can you clone hard drive of different sizes? Best disk cloning software free download. Tips before cloning disks of different sizes. How to clone HDD to SSD with different sizes. Part 1. Can you clone hard drives of different sizes? SSD has significant advantages over HDDs in terms of read and write speeds. Therefore, many computer users would like to replace HDDs with SSDs for better performance. The best way to replace an HDD with an SSD is to clone it. But, can you clone two different size hard drives? The answer is definitely yes. You can clone hard drives with different sizes. For example, cloning a 250 GB HDD to a 500 GB SSD or cloning 1 TB SSD to 500 GB HDD. Part 2. Best disk cloning software free download. Whether you want to clone a larger hard drive to a smaller one or clone a smaller hard drive to a larger one, you must use a third-party cloning program. This is because Windows doesn't provide such a cloning tool. easeusdeutschland, a dedicated disk cloning program, is well suited for cloning an HDD to an SSD or an SSD to an HDD of different sizes. With easeusdeutschland, you can upgrade HDD to SSD without reinstalling Windows, clone a hard drive with bad sectors, migrate Windows from one hard drive to another. In addition to disk mode, it also contains the partition mode option to clone partitions from HDD to SSD. That is to say, if your target SSD is smaller than your HDD, you can clone specific partitions to your SSD. You can go to the easeusdeutschland homepage to download and install it. Part 3. What to do before cloning disks of different sizes. Before cloning HDD to SSD with different sizes, here are some tips you need to know. Remember to back up data on the HDD and the target disk if it is not new. Prepare a USB to SATA cable to connect the SSD to computer. Part 4. How to clone HDD to SSD with different sizes. Now, let's clone HDD to SSD with different sizes using easeusdeutschland cloning software. Step 1. Connect the SSD to your computer and ensure it can be detected by your Windows. Step 2. Launch easeusdeutschland, click Disk Mode and select the HDD as the target disk, then click Next. Step 3. Select the SSD as the destination disk and click Next. Step 4. Manage the disk layout by choosing Auto-Fit the disk, Copy as the source, or Edit disk layout, then click Proceed. Step 5. A warning message will pop up. Click Continue to start the disk clone. That's all about our video. Subscribe us if you like it.